Christy here, and in today's video we are going to be checking out this SKIL pivot drill. And so we are in my dad's garage right now, and he's gonna give us a little demo and give us his opinions on what he thinks about this drill after owning it for 6 months.
Okay, I've had this driver for about 6 months. It's a SKIL. The nice feature about this is you can use it like a pistol grip, or you turn this button here and then you can use it like a normal screwdriver. It's reversible. It's got a light, little reversing buttons right here, so forward and reverse. Press that button there, turn it from a screwdriver to a pistol grip. It's also got these little holders here for the spare bits. To replace the bit, it's got a magnetic tip. You just pull it out and pop a new one in. Very convenient, lightweight, and very useful. Okay, right now you can see we have the drill charging. The green light indicates that it's charging, and when it goes solid green, it's fully charged. It's a USB micro. And I'll show you how it drives some screws into a 2x4. It's got a lot of torque. Another thing I really like about it is if you want to get a good feel for how tight you're making it, you can do it with the power off, and it will actually drive the screws manually. So now let's take it back out. There you go. It's lightweight. It fits in your toolbox. Really easy for small jobs around the house. It also includes this set of bits with an extension here, Phillips slot, and even a Torx.